Let me show you an easy way to reset your iPhone camera back to the default settings. Resetting your camera will change slightly depending on which iPhone you have, on iPhone 17, 16, 15, 14, but I'll walk you through all of those steps. Now, first, if you have the iPhone camera open here, you'll be able to see it's redesigned in iOS 26 to look a bit different. You can always change the settings in here, but if you do change them and you wanted to bring them back to default, we're first just going to swipe out of your camera. So completely close out of the camera and open up the settings, scroll down and tap on camera. The very first thing we'll do is go to preserve settings. Now, what you'll be able to see on all of these, most of them are turned off. Essentially, it says it will preserve a change that you have made, and it will keep that setting changed from the default to whatever you did. So essentially, you want to turn all of these off. What this will do is every time you open up the camera, it will just go back to the default. You can see two of them are turned on by default: portrait zoom and live photo. So essentially copy what I have here, everything off except those two. Now, I haven't changed any of the settings on my iPhone camera since I've set it up. So you can see all of the settings on here that I have and just basically mimic those same settings. So camera control here, photographic styles, I just have as standard. Record video, you can see what I have here. Again, just copy exactly what I have. Record slow-mo is that. Record cinema is that. Again, just pause it and then just set your settings the exact same as mine. Again, go back, tap on format, and this is what I have for the formats. Go back. And then we went to preserve settings already, but you can see on here the toggles that I have on, turn them on, the ones that I have off, turn them off. You can go to Fusion Camera here if you have that as an option and change those settings to that. And then scroll down and again, choose all of these same settings. Now, if you didn't want to go through all of this and manually change it to the default, you can automatically do that just by going back to the very beginning of your settings. At the beginning of your settings, we're going to tap on General, scroll down to the bottom, tap on Transfer or Reset, and then Reset. Now, unfortunately, there's no one option that says reset just your camera settings, but we can choose to reset all of your settings. After you've done that, you can just enter in the passcode for your phone and reset all those settings back to factory default. This will reset your camera settings in addition to all the other ones as well.